Hello, unicorns! The lighting isn't that great right now. Oh! Hello, unicorns!
Ew.
We just finished filming another video, but we're filming a vlog right now.
You don't film a vlog. You just do it.
What? That doesn't make sense to me.
Yeah, it doesn't.
I think I just swallowed a bug. I don't know. So I'm vlogging on my phone. I don't know if the microphone is actually working. I have to like do some research about it. But right now we're trying to get some tents because we're going to camp tonight. My sisters and my mom are going to be home from church soon. So we have to build these tents like ASAP Rocky. Okay. Let me set you guys up right here. Hopefully you don't fall. We were supposed to take a family vacation this weekend, but
Didn't work out.
it didn't work out. Hopefully they are, because or else is gonna... Yeah, they are.
Love that. So then who's sleeping in what tent?
You're probably gonna sleep with me. You don't think? You don't want to sleep with me?
I didn't say that.
Alright, so these are the tents we're using. We're trying to build. They're supposed to look like this picture. We'll see how well this turns out.
Oh, for real.
So the tents are all set up over there. We did it. Now we're just gonna go inside.
Ew.
We look a little more ratchet now. But we're gonna go inside to pack up our things.
Yeah.
Pack up the babies' things.
Yeah.
Where are the babies?
Yo.
Latte, Sparky.
There.
Oh. Good morning, unicorns. We are out here still camping. Let me show you guys what it actually looks like in the daylight. So those are the two tents Johanny and I built. They're super decorated on the inside. They have twinkly lights and everything.
Really?
No. Here's Rebecquita. She's eating one sausage and drinking her morning coffee, and I'm about to join her. There's Sarai. She's chilling. You're eating?
Reading.
Oh, I was gonna say you're eating teléfono.
No, I'm just reading.
We have more water boiling here, and then the sausages that you guys already saw. Parents are gonna come join us in a little bit. My mom's making the eggs inside, and then my mom is making the eggs and heating up the frijoles inside, and then my dad is, I don't know, getting ready. Sad that his coffee is out here, not in there. Okay, I think these are done. Alright, let's have a quick Q&A of an update on college and what it's been like getting ready for college, because a lot of the unicorn fam wants to know. No. Why didn't you laugh?
Oh, sorry, I was confused.
The unicorn fam wants to know how getting ready has been going. Specifically, I think Georgette is very curious.
Well, first of all, financial aid is annoying because they ask you for multiple forms and ask you at last minute when you're ready to be done giving forms, so it really sucks.
They make it so hard that they make it difficult for, like, because the people that don't know how to fill financial aid are the
Like
first generation
gen students?
Yeah. And it's so frustrating. Like, they should have a whole separate class for it. I had to go in and ask my guidance counselor to help me when I filled out my financial aid. But even then, like, every single year after that, you have to figure it out by yourself. And we also wanted to soon have, like, a little haul of, like, things that she's gonna take with her, just in case there are any people out there that want to, like, see what they take. Maybe you're a senior this upcoming year and you don't know what to take to college or what to start preparing for. I think that would be nice. Okay, next question. What are you most excited for? I think I've asked you that before, but...
I don't know, I'm excited for the independent experience.
Really?
Yeah, like, not like in that I'm not gonna miss you guys, because I'm gonna die without you guys. But,
No, you won't.
just like, I've always depended on you guys, you know?
But like I would be really excited about like going to any coffee shop I want at any time. Like not having to ask mommy for permission.
Yeah, like that a little bit. Like just like it's part of the independent experience, you know. You're on your own.
Are you gonna take your bike?
Oh, yeah. I don't know. I want to, but I feel like that bike isn't like good enough to take on campus.
But I think that you need to take one.
I don't think I need to yet.
I think you need like a scooter because you don't do well with bikes.
But I walk. I can walk.
Yeah, but it's such a long time to just walk.
I haven't even checked where my Astro class is. What if it's like on North Campus?
Something else. What are you most scared about?
Not knowing anybody when I get there.
What about your roommate?
Except for her, but you know, she's studying something completely different from me, so it's not like I'm gonna see her constantly.
Mm-hmm. Do you think like developing a professional relationship with your professors will be hard?
Oh, yeah. I feel like that's gonna be a problem too, because I hate talking to like, I don't know, it's weird, like some adults I don't have a problem talking to, but other adults I do.
I think it also depends on who they are, because like if I would have had more professors of color, then I would have been more like susceptible to like going to talk to them.
I think that's why it's so easy to talk to adults at church.
Yeah. But I was gonna say, like, that's one of the big tips that I would give for college, you'll hear it everywhere, is to try to like develop a relationship with your professor, because they're going to
the graduate student instructor, GSI. They can put in good words for your professors too.
Yeah, but mostly the professors, because the professors will write your letters of recommendation someday. If you want to go to grad school, there'll be references for when you're starting your professional job out of college. Like nobody else has that title to be able to give you that. Okay, let me try to ask a different question. What are you still missing that you have to buy?
The extension, like the cord for my phone.
Your
the
backpack.
10-foot cord, my backpack, school supplies, which isn't going to be that hard, right? I feel like I just need notebooks and
little folders.
Pencils. Yeah, I've heard that you don't use folders very much.
Yeah, because now most of the notebooks have...
And the little pockets, but you don't get many papers either. Not enough to fill that thing up.
It depends. Like, I always had specific classes that I printed off the PowerPoints for, and I needed to have that.
So, school supplies.
Important question. Are you excited for fall?
Oh my goodness, yes. But, there are a lot of trees over there. I was going to say, like...
You're going to miss having fall here.
Yeah, I'm going to miss having fall here.
You're going to be coming home often enough, though, that you'll be able to see it.
And I'll come home for our apple picking thing.
Yeah.
You guys can't plan that without me.
No, we won't. Oh, you know what else you have to do? Get a job.
Yeah, see, that's what I didn't want to discuss, what I haven't done for this.
I'm excited for your first week of classes, because that means you get your syllabi, and you know what that means.
That we can figure out how.
Shh. I haven't told them yet.
Oh.
Okay, that's enough for this morning's segment of questionnaires about college with Rebequita. Currently chilling on the maca. You can probably hear the alabanzas in the background. We just ate breakfast. asleep.
Y la Yu está temblando ella.
Yeah, she's scared.
That's
¿Ah?
She's scared.
Nathalie, take it back. Rebecca? Say hi, Sparky. Hi, Sparky. Hi. You guys look beautiful in the sunlight. And a hot mama. And another hot mama. He looks like a model. Puppy, smile for the camera. Stay serious for the camera.
I am serious for the camera.
Looks like it would be mountains.
Guys, look at this unicorn trampoline. It's not even just a floaty. It's a trampoline.
I jump on it.
Oh, what?
What the heck?
It's the hotel.
It's a wedding.
Congratulations! ¡Felicidades!
Cumpleaños the boss. So they're like, oh, let's just put because they're under new corporate, like, took over. And they're like, oh, let's hire somebody because they needed somebody, but they didn't have anybody. So they hired the oldest worker there. And Creed is the oldest worker. And Creed is the oldest worker there. So they hired Creed.
Okay, unicorns, sorry that I look a little not put together, but just wanted to close out the vlog. I procrastinated my editing again, so it's Friday night, and I have to have this up by tomorrow morning. So, I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I will see you guys next week. I'm not sure what video is for next week, but it's one of two things. Either my teacher capsule wardrobe or the like haul of stuff that Rebequita has bought for college. So again, love you guys so much. See you guys next week. Bye.